10 fixes for live stickers not working in iOS 17. Restart the iPhone. Sometimes, the system's temporary data or cache, as well as the app's data, may encounter glitches or become corrupted. Restarting your iPhone clears the device's memory and gives it a fresh start. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Restart the app. Swipe up from the middle bottom until you access the app switcher. Locate the app that's having problems with the stickers and swipe up on it to close. Wait for a few seconds and reopen the app again. Enable live stickers when creating them. Go to the Messages app and open the Stickers menu in a chat. Select the Live Stickers icon and tap the plus button. Choose a live photo. At the top left corner, turn on Live. Then, tap Add Sticker. Create a live sticker in the Photos app. Go to the Photos app and open your live photo. Make sure the photo is selected as Live. Long press the subject and select Add Sticker. Tap and hold the created sticker and tap Add Effect. Add the effect you want or leave as is. Tap Done. Recreate the live sticker. Go to the Messages app and open the Stickers menu in a chat. Go to the Live Stickers menu. Tap and hold the sticker you want to recreate and select Delete. Then, tap the plus button and select the photo from the gallery. Tap Add Sticker. Check storage space. Go to the General setting in the Settings app. Tap iPhone Storage. Check if you have enough free space. If not, delete unnecessary files. Delete sticker packs. Go to Messages, open a chat, and open the Stickers menu. Swipe to the left on the menu and tap Edit. Hit Edit and disable the sticker pack. If you want to delete the sticker pack, delete its app. Turn on live photos in Camera. Go to the Camera app and select the Photo mode. At the top right, tap the Live icon to turn it on. A yellow banner with the Live will appear at the middle top. Re-enable iMessage. Open the Settings app. Go to the Messages settings. Next to iMessage, toggle the switch to turn off the feature. Now restart your iPhone. Go back to the iMessage settings. Next to iMessage, toggle the switch to enable the feature. Update your iPhone. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.